Welcome guys to Spider Rider Extra, and today we're going to add a little bit of bling to the G70. Found a website called KDM Warehouse where they sell some pretty nice products for Genesis and Hyundai cars. And as you can see in my door latch, I already added something that I bought from them probably about a month ago, but I think looks pretty good. It has a Genesis emblem. Of course, it's on all four doors. Today, we're going to concentrate on the door handle catch plate. As you see, it looks kind of plain, so we're going to add more bling to go with the bling that's already on the door. This is a product I ordered. It was around $30. They're a little expensive, but it's actually real metal, has Genesis on it, and it attaches with 3M tape. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, install them, and see what it looks like. All right, before we get started, this is what's in the little installation kit. You get your 4 covers, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, your 3M tape, directions in Korean, and I have no idea what these things are. So we're gonna try to figure this out, and I'll let you guys know. All right, my friends, apparently this is some sort of spacer that I put on. I don't know if I actually need it, so I'm going to try it with the spacer and without the spacer, and we'll see which one looks better. Now it goes, like I said, in the door handle catch in that position behind it. So we're going to go ahead and install that. I'm going to go ahead and put the 3M tape on. Actually, I'm going to put it on the back of the spacer. All right, that's with the spacer. Actually, it looks pretty good. This product is made, like I told you, for the G70 from Korea. If you look here, I'm going to pull the catch open. What I tried to do is center it right in the middle because it's not like a perfect fit. So I centered it right in the middle where you can clearly see the Genesis name. I'll back out here so you can see. I think it looks good. We'll put them on all 4 doors. Now, it does come with the 3M tape, so make sure whenever you put any of these products on, make sure you use 3M tape. The cheaper tapes do not hold. 3M tape, you actually have to use alcohol to get it off. So yeah, we're gonna do all 4 doors. And please guys, under comments, let me know what you think. As always, like and subscribe to my site, Spider Rider Extras. You guys have a great day.